Chocolate milk is healthy for you.
You don't want a brownie?
It's Ben. It's a frog. It's not chocolate.
Good for you. Make you burp.
Oh, God. Dad.
I want to say, oh, you don't care about that thing.
What you talking about? Don't worry, he's a little...
Smoking brownies.
He's not right.
Don't listen to him.
But it's okay. We're all here to save you guys.
Some more dirt.
Uh-oh.
Well, here comes another one. Who's this? Is this Charlie?
Garrett.
Garrett?
Oh, all over the cooler.
Oopsie.
It just adds to it.
Put it all in the cooler.
No, don't put it all in the cooler.
Put it on the
That's got to go in my car.
No, don't.
Wait, where are the brownies at?
Give me the brownies.
Give me
Thank you very much.
the poopy brownie.
You want a brownie? You want a brownie?
I'll be taking these.
Give me
high
all
speed.
my dirt. I need...
Hey, ain't got no body.
He's nuts.
Wait, how'd you get the
Because
toilet?
I'm just like him.
Guys, really, don't put the dirt on the cooler, please, because it's got to go in my van later, and I don't want all that dirt in my...
It's calling
Thank
up.
you.
You might want to close it. You might want to, like...
Get Chopper to wipe it off. Here you go.
Just in case it starts calling up, okay? I do this.
The cat.
Wow.
Get Chopper
so
to
where'd you
get a
find the
knife
frog?
and cut everybody's neck.
Choppers are cats.
Papa, where'd you find the
Choppers
frog?
are cat's name.
Trying to get to me.
I think it's time to go.
See, I can't.
Hey, look at this. How you like a brown diamond?
But I can't.
It's not bad.
But I think for the little old lady.
Little old lady.
Oh, okay. I think you can shrink her down, punch her eye in the face, and say,
Oh, it's just like on airplane.
he's totally you. How you like that now, old lady? On top of this thing down.
No, wait. Tell her. Here, tell a flower from the religious church of...
You're a violent person.
What's going on right now?
No.
Say one more again.
I feel like I'm in an episode of Little Rascals.
Hey, little lady wants some more. Where you see some more?
Oh my gosh.
Little lady wants some more.
What if the little lady's your grandma? Or your mom or your sister?
Yeah, you could.
Everybody
Sister
belongs
makes
to
sense.
somebody,
He's in the
right?
He-Man old lady.
Oh, but she
painting
got
club.
your head remember.
I don't even care if it was a sister.
Actually, I take his sledgehammer.